What is one of the biggest lessons transferred from Lean into Agile? It's one that maybe we haven't learned yet. In fact, many of the organizations that I work with haven't learned yet. What is value? Define it. Be really clear on what value is. In the Lean core principles, we find that number one, define value. And that's incredibly important, because how do you prioritize? How do you understand whether or not you're working towards the thing if you don't know what the thing is? Okay. In the Scrum world, we have a product goal. We have this idea of this is what we're working towards, this change in our product, this change in our market behavior, whatever it is. That quite clearly articulates value. Yet most organizations, if I'm honest, don't have that. They do stuff. They build features. Why? Because somebody important enough told them to, or paid them enough to. There's nobody sat there. There should be, but there is nobody sat there thinking about, does this add value to our product? The types of value that we want, because if we don't want it, it's not technically value. So for me, it's a thing that we really should have learned better in the Agile world from the Lean space. Some places have, and many of the experienced Agilists I talk to have a real good grip on value, but it's one that we need to keep relearning. Okay, what is value in this moment? Is it about learning what the product is or how to build the product? Is it learning what the customer wants next? It's probably a mix of those and a few other things, because we've also got to throw in to the case the business drivers. What do we as an organization want to achieve? It's going to be a blend of these things, but how do they blend together? So the role of a product owner or a product manager is very much linked to that defining value, working with stakeholders, working with customers, working with everybody that it makes sense to properly define the value of your product. If you've got to this point in the video, I hope you've enjoyed it. If so, a like would be appreciated. If you want to hear more from me, more answers to questions that maybe you've got in the Agile world, please subscribe to the channel. And if you've got a question that you really want answered, drop it in the comments. I promise we'll get around to it. Thank you.